Randy Velonza Jr. 8-barrel performance task in TLE. What is a blender? Blender is an electric kitchen machine are used to cut food into a very small pieces or turn soft food into a liquid. Let's get started. Ingredients: milk and apple. Make sure that your blender is clean. Liquid are usually added first. Put the apples in the blender. Make sure you cut the apples before you pour it. If you want to blend, not that much, use on and off technique. Finally, pour the liquid carefully. Hope you like it.